Hey, and welcome back to another edition of Main Control Haircare's YouTube Chronicles. This is a flat iron on my 4B natural hair. Yes, I am a naturalista, baby. I've had these cornrow twists in for about 4 weeks and it's time to take them out. I've been contemplating over and over again if I wanted to flat iron my hair again. I have not flat ironed my hair in about a year and a half, since 2020. Again, remember you guys on previous videos, I was rehabilitating my hair from flat iron heat damage, from flat ironing my hair 4 times throughout the year in 2020. So yes, I need to be smacked on the wrist. Don't do it. But I had to. This was a perfect time to do it before the heat really began. So I wanted to do just a soft press just to get my ends trimmed really well and just to get a length check as well. And I can say, ladies, just by using my lock-in moisturizer butter and the growth oil, my hair has grown. So keep watching this video. Right now I'm doing a apple cider vinegar rinse. As I'm taking these twists out, it's a great detangler, and it also detoxifies the hair because I've been using the butter and the oil. So I just want to cleanse everything off before I put any heat to it. So as you're going to see, I'm going to finish up these twists, finish off with that apple cider vinegar and water mix, and get ready for the shampoo. Okay, so I'm just massaging this into my scalp. It feels so good going on my scalp. And I'm getting ready to shampoo. So now I am freshly shampooed, and guess what time it is? It's time for color. Yes, this is Clairol's color in the number 2A. I love my dark natural brown. So I'm just gonna go in and section. I didn't do my Wella today. I usually do my Wella Color Charm. But today I decided, because I was gonna do a protein treatment, that I'm just gonna do a semi-permanent today. This should work as well because it does say that it does gray coverage. So I have a few strands of gray, but this actually turned out really well. So I'm gonna let you guys watch how I work this in. I pretty much used 3/4 of the bottle just to make sure all of my natural hair was covered and kind of combed through. So I'm using like a detangling brush, scalp brush, to kind of get those ends and work this color through, girl. So watch the rest of the video, watch the technique, and hope this helps you out. Okay, as you can see, the color is all in. Yes, that dark natural brown is looking good. It's hitting, baby. I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. Yes, look at it. And here we go, freshly shampooed out. We got the Apogee protein treatment. We're going to start in the back and work our way to the front, baby. This protein treatment is long overdue. Yes. I noticed some breakage on my ends, so I needed to stop that and repair that, especially if you're not taking your multivitamins and getting that protein and eating well and eating your fish, your omega-3s and all that stuff. You definitely need to do a protein treatment to stop that breakage. So I'm not afraid to say I have to do it. So when you need to do it, go hit up your professional and tell them I need a protein treatment because my hair is breaking and I need to know why. It could be either the protein or it needs hydration. So might need a steam treatment, might need protein. For me, I needed protein today. I'm just working this in, again, using that little detangling brush to make sure all my strands get covered. And I'm just going to take this all the way to the top. Okay, yes, so it is all in. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for 30 minutes on medium heat, let it get hard, then I'm gonna rinse it out. Right now, you see me putting in the balancing moisturizer conditioner, and I'm combing it through, and I'm gonna let that sit for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse it out. Alright, it's all rinsed out. Here we go with the Mane Control Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. I love this conditioner. It's a great detangler. It has silk amino acid. It has argan oil, aloe vera juice. Yes, all the key nutrients. I love it. So I'm just going to go around and do these 4 sections, putting that leave-in conditioner in. And then I'm also going to add a silkening serum to my hair. I could have added a little more, but I was just testing it out. So I put like literally less than a penny size, or less than a dime size on each section, because I didn't want my hair to be weighed down, but I could have put just a tad bit more. Could have went probably a dime size in each section. I think my hair would have appreciated that. And you will see why at the end of this video. So that's the Mane Control Hair Care's detangling brush as well, and I love this detangling brush. So here's the blow dry process. I'm doing the no tension method, just holding the hair, letting the air blow through it, especially in the roots. And then I'm going to go through with my paddle brush and just pull out the ends. Like again, I didn't want to hard press on my hair because I'm still kind of paranoid from a year and a half ago. So I'm taking it slow on this one. So a lot of things that I might do, another professional might say, why didn't you do this and why didn't you do that? But for my hair, I'm doing a soft press. So here it is, it's all blow dried out. I did go through again with cool air just to make sure my roots was dry. So now I'm gonna start flat ironing. I did add the Beyond the Heat heat protectant. I didn't show that, but I did add a heat protectant before I started. Now I did show 2 different flat irons. One is ceramic and one is titanium. I'm just testing to see which one my hair reacts to and which one it's showing that the ends are getting straighter and the cuticles are going down. Okay, so that's why I had the 2 flat irons. I think I like the ceramic, and that's what I ended up finishing my hair with, is the ceramic. So the titanium did give me more of a flatter look, but my ends still looked like they were frayed, if that makes sense. Like it didn't smooth out the cuticles. So I did finish up my hair with the ceramic. And it is so hard to do your own hair. Oh my goodness. I think at some point when my hair gets to it's at the length now, but I think I need to start having somebody do my hair for me, because this is for the birds. All right, I'm all flat ironed out, but I need a good trim. Look at that. And see, with the titanium, it would have been just a little flatter. And see, like I said, I have fine to medium hair texture. So, not the texture, I'm sorry, the density. This is after the trim. Looks a little better. I trimmed off a lot, as you can see. But I just wanted to make sure it was good for the next year. And now I'm going in with the ceramics again and just bumping it and giving it some volume. I love volume on my hair. I don't like my hair to be flat. And that is the Mane Control's Hair Care Growth Oil. So before I flat iron and put the volume in there, I do add the growth oil to make sure my hair, when I wrap it up tonight, that it would be great. So I'm gonna go through with my wide tooth comb and just comb it out. And now you see how it's not as smooth as it could have been if I would have added some more of the silken and serum. But I do know for the next year when I do it, it won't be no time soon, but I do know for the next year. And that's Mane Control Hair Care's Edge Slay, baby. Yes, just a little bit to polish up the little style. We don't need a whole lot. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Yes. A year and a half. My first flat iron after a year and a half. I'm going to have a video after this with how to pin curl your hair after you got it done from the salon. So stay tuned for that one. Pin curl and the day after when you pin curl it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been fun, and I'll see you in the next video.